Hello, Bratislava, Slovakia, and this nudist beach, Zlatne Piesky. I'm not sure if I have pronounced that right. In translation from Slovak language, golden sands. But the beach over here is not actually with sand. And this is the nudist beach. There is even a public beach on the other side that I can see from here that has a very big green area, and probably there is sandy beach over there that I would check later. So yes, I have managed to travel to Slovakia after my visit in Macedonia, Skopje, as there is a direct flight from Skopje to Bratislava, and I will be today on this 28th of September 2024. I will be exploring Bratislava, the city, but also few of the beaches, potentially only this, the nudist beach, and also the public beach, the same named Zlatne Piesky as it is called. So currently it is 10 a.m. and I had an early morning flight that was a bit delayed, but I still managed to come quite early still. And this is here a lake that's quite close to the airport, actually, less around 4 kilometers, and the lake is also called Zlaté Piesky, so the whole lake and also the beaches have the same name. So there is one nudist beach and one public beach as well. And yes, so it's a Saturday and I will be exploring today Bratislava, and tomorrow I will be going to Vienna, and hopefully I will do some beach adventures there as well. The weather is not beach weather, as it is obviously not so warm, 15 degrees Celsius in the air. However, in the lake it is 18 degrees Celsius, so it's almost the same temperature as I had in Stockholm earlier this week. And I really look forward to go back to Stockholm to see that nature. But I'm really happy that I'm gonna take my first swim ever in Slovakia in open waters. To be fair, I have traveled to Slovakia way before when I was doing track and field and running to Banska Bystrica 2 times for European team championships. But there we didn't swim, if I remember, just in the pool maybe, because we were at a nice hotel, obviously. So now it's time for the first swim ever in Slovakia on this lake Zlaté Piesky, golden sands, on this nudist beach. So currently there is even also a training ongoing for kayak, as you can see, and now they are racing, I think, the final race that they are doing. Anyway, so Slovakia is a Eastern European country that was previously actually together clubbed with Czechia as Czechoslovakia, which was ended on 1st of January 1993. So Slovakia was independent since then, but Slovakia dates way back from the people of Slovakia have far more earlier Slavic roots, as the country name also denotes. So the whole country has around 5.5 million people, and only Bratislava has only 500,000, because there is a lot of people throughout the country. So yes, I was actually here also in Bratislava 2 years ago, and I was doing some sightseeing, but today I was starting my sightseeing with beach adventure. So let's go. I am very eager to take a swim and see how the lake is. It looks very, very clean, as you can see, but there is nobody taking a swim. Anyway, there is few fishermen on some parts of the lake, and as I mentioned, this is then, yes, the nudist beach. I'm all alone, and it's quite pleasant indeed. Zlatne Piesky, golden sand. So I can actually pronounce Slovak quite good, because Macedonian, my native language, is also Slavic language. But there are some differences depending on which Slavic root you are there, because there are 3 different types of Slavic languages: Western, Eastern, and Southern. And these over here, the Slovakian language is type of the Western Slavic languages. The Eastern ones being the Russian and Ukrainian, for example, and Southern ones are Macedonian, Bulgarian, Serbian, and so on. Alright, so beach adventures with Chris in Bratislava, Slovakia, and Zlatné Piesky Lake and nudist beach over here. So let's start off the day with the best possible way with a swim here. So let's go! So nice and refreshing indeed. I'm not sure why I'm the only one swimming. I haven't seen any sign that it's forbidden to swim, but as it is a nudist beach and there is a public beach on the other side, one should expect to swim anyway. So I really needed this, as I was 2 days in Skopje and there I didn't swim. I didn't have time to go to a river, Treska, close by, where I took a swim last year. So anyway, I'm quite happy now, indeed. So yeah, this is my view from Zlatné Piesky nudist beach. It's also named on Google Maps as FKK Nudapláž Zlaté Piesky also. I see a Mercedes sign over there. There seems to be like a factory for Mercedes cars in Slovakia. I thought they were made in Germany, but anyway. And there is even an island here in the middle of the lake. But I don't think it's possible to get on the island. There is not official beach. But yeah, cool. So I'm gonna be chilling a bit here, and then I'm gonna head also to show you the public beach, Zlatné Piesky, on the other side, which I see that it's completely empty as well. So the Slovak people seems not to like cold weather. Well, cold weather. 15 degrees is not that cold, but yeah, it's almost exactly the same as Sweden. It's only me that takes a swim right now currently. So as people have officially declared summer over, but not me. I have few more months to take a swim and enjoy. So greetings from Bratislava, Slovakia. I just can't believe I made this adventure here in Slovakia. And with this lovely view, I'm gonna tell you to hope that you enjoyed this episode from this nudist beach at Zlatné Piesky nudist beach and the same lake in Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.